So, bababa tayo. Check natin siya from the first floor. An escalator. But before we do that, pakita ko muna sa inyo isang spot kung saan nyo pa siya pwedeng makita. Sa backside naman siya. Okay? So, pasok ka lang dito sa may side na malapit sa H&M. And then you'll have the aquarium all to yourself. Yun nga lang, backside lang siya. Later we'll go down para makita na yung front side. You can also see the fish from here. So, show lang natin yung ticketing station. Ayan, ang ticketing station if you want to go inside. And then they have a tunnel. Pero, kung nagtitipid ka, okay na to. Funny story, I've never went inside the tunnel. Dito lang ako sa labas. Kasi okay na rin naman, di ba? Mahaba siya hanggang doon. This is free. So one of the free things you can do here in Dubai Mall is to just take a look at the fish in the aquarium. But if you want to go closer, ayun, pwede ka magbayad. You can go inside. So those are just the first two free things that we can do in Dubai Mall.